Oh, stop doing this. Okay, we're gonna be showing you the funny line called step on the crackhead and break him on his back. Okay, step one, you have to walk like this. Step two, just gotta have the perfect back. You have to go. Okay, step three. Just walk normal. Step three. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay.
Here's our cameraman.
Step on the crackhead, break him on his back.